Hello everyone, why do many people stick to the pan or peel the fish when frying? The reason is that they use the wrong method. Today I will tell you the tips. Follow my video below, let's see how to do it. First, we prepare a fresh punch. I asked the young and beautiful lady boss to kill it. We wash it under running water. The blood and black film attached to the fish's belly must be cleaned thoroughly. These are more fishy. Place the clean fish on the chopping board. The tail of the fish is too long, trim it a little. It looks more beautiful. That's it. Let's cut the fish into flower knives. Cut it in the thicker part of the fish. This makes it more flavorful, and it will cook more quickly. Then put the fish in a large bowl. Add some scallions and ginger, and add a little cooking wine. Then we squeeze the scallions and ginger with our hands, and evenly apply the scallion and ginger juice to the fish. This will remove the fishy smell very well. After rubbing one side, turn it over and wipe the other side. Finally, we stuff the scallions and ginger into the fish's belly. Let it marinate for 10 minutes to let the fish fully remove the fishy smell. Cut a piece of ginger into thick slices and put them on a plate. Next, prepare a section of scallions and cut them into sections. 3 garlic cloves into slices, and a few dry peppers. Let's make a sauce. Add a spoonful of cooking wine to a bowl, a spoonful of light soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, a little dark soy sauce, a small spoonful of sugar. Add some pepper. Pour in a small bowl of water. Then stir it well with a spoon. Put it aside for later use. Now our fish is marinated. Take it out and put it on the chopping board. We use kitchen paper or a clean towel to dry the moisture on the fish. This can prevent the fish from breaking in the pan, to prevent the fish from breaking and water on it. Otherwise, oil will splash out and hurt people. After drying the moisture, we sprinkle a little salt on the fish. Then we spread it evenly with our hands. This step is mainly to add flavor to the fish. Rub salt on both sides of the fish. After spreading evenly, set it aside for later use. Next, heat the pan. Heat the pan until it smokes. Then add more cooking oil. We lubricate the pan. Coat the pot with oil. This way, the fish won't stick to the pan or break its skin. Pour out the oil after the pot is lubricated. Then add a little cool oil. Heat the pan so the pot won't stick. Then put the fish in the pot. After putting the fish in the pot, turn the heat down. After the fish is put in the pot, don't rush to move it. If you move it at this time, the fish will easily break. About 20 seconds later, we tilt the pan. Fry the head and tail of the fish. After the fish is shaped, we gently shake the pan to heat the fish evenly. Friends, you can see that. So the fish won't stick to the pan at all. It's very smooth. After one side is golden brown, we turn it over. Fry the fish until both sides are golden. Friends, you've watched the video until here. Can you use your lucky hands? Please help to like and share it. Your likes and shares are my greatest support. Thank you very much. After frying both sides until golden brown, first, take the fish out and set it aside. Leave a little oil in the pan. Add scallions, ginger, garlic, and dried chili peppers. Stir fry over low heat until fragrant. Then add a spoonful of bean paste. Stir fry the bean paste over low heat until the oil turns red. Pour in the prepared sauce after stir frying. Then put the fried fish into the pot. Then turn on high heat to boil the soup. Cover the pot and simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, time's up. Open the lid and take a look. At this time, there is not much soup in the pot. We pour the sauce over the fish with a spoon, so that it can be fully flavored. Boil it for about 1 minute. Okay, take the fish out and put it on a plate. Then use a colander to remove the residue in the pot. These affect the appearance of the dish. Then add some vinegar to remove the fishy smell and greasiness. At this time, turn up the heat to thicken the sauce. Finally, drizzle in a little bright oil to increase the brightness of the dish. Pour the soup evenly over the fish. Sprinkle with charming scallions for decoration. A delicious home-cooked braised fish is ready. It's tender and flavorful, delicious and goes well with rice. It doesn't stick to the pan or peel. Friends who like it can collect it and try it.